Hello everyone, this is Well Away. Today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful and moist fruit cake. First to do is to combine all your dried fruit. I have raisins, glazed cherries, and apricot. Then add your choice of alcohol. With this recipe, I have used rum. You can use brandy or sherry. If you wanted a non-alcoholic, you can use a grape juice. Soak this overnight and put it in refrigerator. Combine your butter and sugar. Mix it together until it's softened. You can use an electric mixer to combine it all together until softened and smooth. Add your egg. Add the egg one at a time and beat until it combines. Then add another egg and mix it again. Sieve the flour, baking powder, and salt onto your batter mixture. For the ingredients and measurements, please refer to the description below. And if you are new to my channel, thank you for coming. Please like and subscribe. Now beat the mixture until it's combined. Add milk and vanilla. And beat it again until it's all combined and smooth. It will take a few minutes. I have changed it with the spatula to get all the flour from the side of the bowl. Add the zest of an orange. This is a large orange and I've only used one for this recipe. Then mix it again, but do not overmix the batter. On a separate bowl, add the flour to your soaked dried fruit. And mix until all the fruits are coated with flour. Add the dried fruits to the cake mixture and fold in until it's mixed and combined together. Again, for the ingredients and measurement, please refer to the description below. Transfer the cake mixture into a prepared grease pan. Then bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes. And there you have it, a delicious fruit cake. Thank you for watching.